Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
I will show two easy DNS methods for Redmi phones using MIUI settings. First method uses private DNS by hostname for system-wide DNS resolution. Second method modifies DNS per Wi-Fi network for specific connections only. Both methods replace default ISP DNS with chosen resolvers like 1.1.1.1. Cloudflare DNS, COM, or DNS. Google. You can switch between them without root access. Follow along and pick the approach that open settings and tap connection and sharing to access private DNS. Tap private DNS and choose private DNS provider hostname from the list. Enter a hostname such as 1.1.1.1. Cloudflare DNS, COM, or DNS. Google and press save. The change takes effect immediately for apps that use system DNS. No per-network edits are required when using private DNS. If connectivity breaks, revert to off or automatic and try a different hostname. Long press your Wi-Fi name in settings and choose Modify Network to change DNS. Expand advanced options and set IP settings to static to reveal DNS fields. Enter DNS1 as 1, 1, 1, 1 and DNS2 as 8, 8, 8, 8 for Cloudflare and Google resolvers. Save changes, then reconnect to the network to apply them. Test by loading a web page or visiting a DNS test site to confirm the resolver is active. If issues appear, reboot the phone and retry the previous steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.